Have you dated an introvert, or considered it? If you're in a relationship with one, or if you're pondering the best personality type for you to date, here are surprising reasons introverts make better partners. Introverts are the best listeners. Introverts are comfortable being in the background, they don't need or want to be in the spotlight. They pay attention and listen hard and will remember what you tell them in excruciating detail. They are fully present, and because they listen well, they can quickly get to know the real you, and even give you excellent counsel on problems because they really get the gist of it. If you are on the fence about dating an introvert, hopefully you're convinced of the distinct advantages of dating one. Go ahead and dust off your introvert pickup lines or create your own. Just know that the introvert will probably take time to warm up to you, but when they do, and if the relationship is right for them, the fire will blaze hot and heavy.